Are you ready to enhance your UV prints with the Epson SureColor V1070? The latest updates for the Epson SureColor V1070 now allow you to use texture pattern layers in your graphics. With the help of Adobe Illustrator and Epson Edge Print, we will print a texture pattern on a piece of acrylic today. You will first have to download the texture files from Setup Navi. The website will be support.epson.net/setupnavi/. You will now have to type SC-V1000 into the search bar and hit enter. This will display and you will now need to click on Support. The items will pop up and you will select the Epson texture library and click Download. Your File Explorer will pop up and you will now need to extract the file due to the attachments being in a zip file. Once that is done, you will now need to open Adobe Illustrator if you have not already. With the program now open, you will navigate to the top tabs on the left to locate the Windows tab. Click the Windows tab and go down to Swatch Libraries. Open the arrow on the right of it and select the Other Library option at the bottom of the list. The File Explorer will open, and you will have to find the texture files you extracted from the zip file. Once you have located them, you will now select Gloss or Matte Patterns and hit Open. We are selecting Gloss in this video. A new window will open in Illustrator and allow you to see the different patterns that are now available for you to put into your layer. Now let's create print data. This will be the layer you will need for the Epson Edge print software. We have selected a beach photo to place inside our artboard today. Once the picture is placed in the artboard, we will use the Properties tab to the right if you are using the classic view in Illustrator. We will zero this section out as you see here. We will now select the square in the Shape Tool section on the left. Make a square the same size as the picture. You will need to now select a texture pattern you would like to go with. We are using the wave pattern on this image. The gray pattern of the texture will fill the square. Select the Object tab at the top of the screen and find Expand in the drop-down menu. Click Expand. A new window will pop up and you will select Fill as you see here, then OK. Go up to the top of the Window tab and drop the menu down. Select Attributes and another window will open. You will now need to select Overprint Fill in the Attributes window. That is what is required to set the correct layers for your Illustrator file. Now click the file and save the file, creating the print job needs for Epson Edge Print. Now open Epson Edge Print. Hit Add to open the file you just saved from Illustrator. Once the preview renders, you will be able to see the photo, but no paths over the image. Select Basic Settings. Now select Number and Order of Layering. In the drop-down, select Triple Layer. The display will now change, and in the left column, you will have 3 item layers displaying in a nested image. Select the first layer so only it is highlighted. Then select Layer Settings on the right-hand side. You will locate the Creating Method drop-down and change it from None to Image. The preview will now update. Now you will go back to the left column to select the third layer. This will be your texture pattern. Go to the right again to select Layer Settings while the third layer is highlighted. Ensure that the Creating Method drop-down displays None. Once that is done, you will go back to the left column and select the nested image. This will highlight all of the layers again. That will allow you to rip and print the nested image. Time to print. Just like that, we have an amazing 3D effect on our image due to our texture pattern.